Hey guys, how's it going? How to check story rewatch count on Snapchat. So first of all, go ahead and open up your Snapchat. If you haven't updated, just go ahead and tap right your Snapchat. Make sure that you updated the app. Tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon at the top left, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just tap on your story to view it, and then swipe out to see on the story to see the detailed information, including the total number of views. And then Snapchat doesn't provide specific count for rewatches. It only shows the total views and who has seen your story. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.